Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the essentials of a teen skincare routine. Today I'm gonna cover all the aspects about teen skincare you need to know, so stay until the end. Without wasting any time, let's start our video. Teenage skin can be tricky with all the changes happening due to hormones, but with the right routine, you can keep it healthy and glowing. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you out. Step 1. Cleansing. Cleansing is the cornerstone of any good skincare routine. It's important to cleanse your skin twice a day, morning and night, to remove dirt, oil and makeup. During the day, your skin gets exposed to pollution, and at night, your skin undergoes repair and regeneration, making cleansing crucial. When choosing a cleanser, look for a gentle cleanser that's suitable for your skin type. For oily or acne-prone skin, a foaming cleanser can be great because it helps remove excess oil. For my girls with dry or sensitive skin, a hydration cleanser is ideal because it cleanses without stripping the skins of its natural oils. Our second step is toning. Toning is an often overlooked but important step in skincare. Using a toner helps to balance your skin's pH level and can remove any leftover impurities that your cleansers might have missed. It also preps our skin for better absorption for the next products. When choosing a toner, choose an alcohol-free toner to avoid drying out your skin. Alcohol-free toners are gentle and hydrating, making them suitable for all the skin types, especially sensitive skin. Step 3 is moisturizing. Moisturizing is crucial for keeping our skin hydrated and maintaining its barrier function. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is a must as it helps to balance oil production and prevent your skin from becoming too greasy. Always opt for lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Non-comedogenic means it won't clog your pores, which is essential for preventing breakouts. For girls with oily skin, a gel-based moisturizer can be a great option, while those with dry skin may benefit from a cream-based moisturizer. When you apply a small amount of moisturizer to your face and neck, and gently massage it in using upward and outward motions. This helps to stimulate blood flow and ensure even coverage. And remember, a little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. Our final step is sun protection. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial, especially for teens. UV rays can cause premature aging, sunburn, and increase the risk of skin cancer. Using sunscreen daily is one of the best ways to protect your skin. So use a sunscreen with at least SPF 30. For everyday use, a lightweight, non-greasy formula is ideal. If you're spending a lot of time outdoors, look for a water-resistant sunscreen. Apply sunscreen generously to all exposed areas of your skin, including your face, neck, and other areas that will be exposed to the sun. Reapply every 2 hours or more often if you are swimming or sweating. Now that we have covered the basics, here are a few traditional tips to keep your skin in top condition. Guys, always resist the urge to pick or pop pimples. This can lead to scarring and worsen acne. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Foods high in antioxidants and vitamins can help maintain healthy skin. Always aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Our skin repairs itself while we sleep, so getting enough sleep is crucial. And girls, stick to your skincare routine consistently. If you want to add more products to your skincare routine, incorporate them one at a time. It may take a few weeks to see noticeable improvements, so be patient with your skincare routine. And that's it. A comprehensive skincare routine for all teens that covers all the essentials. And remember, skincare is a journey, and it's all about finding what works best for your unique skin. So until next time, take care of yourself.